Okay, what's going down, everybody? FX Street coming to you with an updated video on Bitcoin against the US dollar. Now, before we get into this video, make sure you guys know, check us out on Twitter, FXS Crypto, YouTube at FXS Street. You can follow me. I've been posting some of those things that are making sense in the market for us, trade setups, on-chain analysis, things like that at TM Charts 100. Thank you for those who've already subscribed. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin. Let's just organize this a bit. I've been on lower time frames. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Even though I don't want to. All right. Yeah. So. Okay. Yeah, as you can see here, you got some rejection. Okay, there was a Fed release date, went long. Everybody started going long, and now it's rejecting. You do have divergence, but it's just subject to keep on, because it's subject to be late. In fact, it's still got 2 hours, so actually this hasn't been printed yet. So yeah, don't trust that. On the daily time frame, yeah, this is you can't buy it yet. You just can't buy it. It's not, the daily hasn't closed. Yes, it looks like there's divergence again. But the daily hasn't closed. So this could still, do what it needs to do. Ultimately, I do think that this is some kind of accumulation situation going on here. We're close. If it's not here at 18, then the next target is 15,980. Give or take a few dollars. Yeah, we're edging near October, and like I've said to you guys in previous videos, statistically, October and November is always a bullish season. If this does print like this, and that's a reversal pattern. That's a inverted hammer. So with the uptick in volume, so just make sure we note that as well. Okay, that's an inverted hammer. If that ends up printing like that. Yeah, so I mentioned another token, HBAR, is looking good. A few of these tokens are starting to really show divergence. So I'm interested. I am interested, especially going into October, to try to be early. Okay. With that being said, this is some kind of like order block that I have here. Usually my order blocks, they get tagged. So if this isn't the bottom, then yeah, it's gonna hit 15.8 like a few other people have been calling for. So, but it could happen in December, man. I wouldn't sleep on this pattern here. And I wouldn't be surprised if this actually takes these boys out first or last and then makes the move. Okay, but yeah, if it breaks through this box, man, then I can't really argue with that. Okay, just gonna keep on watching it. You got to just be patient in this game. Keep your technicals for what they're good for. On the weekly RSI is where you want to be, the daily, 3-day, stuff like that. And then if you're like on the 15-minute, 20 to 30-minute, then you need other indicators and stuff like that. So it just depends on what kind of trader you are. But what we're trying to do over at FX Street is just help, all kinds of people understand where the market is going. If we have a general bias that we're going higher, then it's easier to make the call. Like when we made the call as crypto season, we were down. I think we were down here. We made the call as crypto season, and we got a nice rally. Made the call at Ethereum, $1,000, and we got a nice rally. So it just depends on what kind of trader you are. Yeah, 3 days coming back into that supportive line. Yeah, just keep your eyes close on this market. What can I say? If you're trying to buy the bottom, you have to expect taking some bleed, taking some pain. You're trying to buy a knife. That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to catch a knife. So It's very hard to call it, but I still think we're close. We're close to a definitive move. Last thing, I think I got this math wrong on this last post. 600 and I gotta edit this. 620 bitcoins, equivalent to under $12 billion worth of Bitcoin, has been on board to all exchanges in the last 24 hours. To reiterate, more than 10% of the crypto market has suddenly become liquid. So yeah, I don't think that. I think it's 1%. I think I do the math over. I think it's 1% of the entire crypto market cap. Nonetheless, um, yeah, the last time the influx came in was in September, and this is what happened, followed by this. So yeah, we could get one more. You can see us. They came in here, sideways drop. You can get one more sideways drop. This is the interesting one here. We could get one more sell off, is what I'm trying to say, before things start to get fun. So the next drop is a buy. I think the math is around 20 to 30%. So yeah, anywhere in this area is a go. And if it's only 1%, 1% of the market, not 10%, then it's probably not as drastic as this sounds. I have to do the math over. I believe this 620,000 times 19,000 is 12 billion, just under it. And $1 trillion market cap, 12 billion is only 1%. Anyways, yeah, this is your updated video on Bitcoin. Keep your eyes on it. We're close to something going on. And yeah, if you like this video, Twitter, FXS Crypto, YouTube, FXS Street, TM Charts 100, and I will see you guys on the next one.